Now that we can log in, we'll want to first learn how to send and receive messages in our platform and interact with them on Wechaty. So this is the services that the Ding Dong Bot tutorial provides, but I'm also going to build it here. So since we're receiving a message, we can create a new function here that when we receive a message, we can respond to it. Let's call that on message. And I'll put that up here on message, and that will pass in some message here. And we'll want to get some information from this message. So let's just log that information. So the first thing that we can find out is that we received whatever message text. So we get that from our message text. We can also find out who it came from. So we can find that out with our message.talker. And then the next thing that we can find is where that message was sent with our message.room. And so this room will tell us the group chat that the message was sent in, and it will be undefined if it was sent as a private message. So let's go ahead and observe that messaging. So let's open WhatsApp and send some message to my phone that's logged in, and we'll receive that logged message of hello from my desktop account here, and because I sent it privately, the room is undefined. Now let's take this one step further and respond to the message that we received. So we can add an if statement depending on what our message is, if we would like. Let's just put in hello, and then we can respond to that person with message.say. So this will reply to wherever that message was sent, the room or privately, and let's just reply hello, and we can run that as well. So I will go into WhatsApp again. I can send hello again this time, and it will be logged as before, and it will also automatically reply hello.